TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman, the host of the Tiger Technicians Hour, coming up straight after this TFNN noon update. And on this fifth day of July, we're looking at the Dow down 105 at 26,860. In my work, it needs to go just a little bit above the 26,966 high of Wednesday. And then we're getting ready for some kind of a deeper pullback. This is kind of a heads up to say choppy period probably coming up. The S&P is down a little bit deeper. It's down 16 at 2978. It has already made in the Chapman Wave methodology that peak D that says, all right, now you got to put the yellow light on just to see if what happens next. The QQQ, and in the meantime, back at the ranch, it does at 2979. It has very strong support in the 2967 area. The QQQ, the NDX 100 trading vehicle, trading right now down $1.26 at, let's see, 190.17. This is made a leg E at 191.44. So we're looking at key support in the 188 area, 188.50 over the next two sessions. See what happens early next week. We were anticipating some kind of a pullback today based on the jobs report. And that jobs report really says to the Fed, you can go ahead and lower rates. But there are also other things that you need to think of because this economy is still pretty good. 155.68 in the IWM, down 59. It's really got a much weaker pattern than the others. But what's interesting is that gold has really taken a tumble. Down 22, it was down a little bit more earlier on. At 1398, it's in this consolidation area. It's almost making the same pattern that you saw in the TLT, which is the bonds. Bonds are down, TLT is down 2 at 132.13. It broke out of that rectangle to the upside and made a high on Wednesday in the 134s. So now it's pulling back some, and I think this consolidation is kind of what you'll see in gold as well. What's interesting is that the dollar, I call it Basil's dollar because we've been long since April of 2018, is doing really well. It's up 59 ticks at 97.38, going right back into the middle of its range. Very good action. I'll talk more about these things and some stocks that are really important right now as soon as I get back in a couple of minutes. Otherwise, have a great weekend, but I hope to see you in a few minutes for the Tiger Technicians Hour.